Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You sign into the email service and confirm your identity. This avoids lockouts once you change the name. Once logged in, make sure two-factor authentication is active and you can receive a verification code. Open Account or Settings and locate Profile or Personal Info. That is where the display name and alias is live. Keep your ID or recovery phone ready because some providers require verification to prevent impersonation. This step starts the process immediately and secures access while you make edits. You now edit the actual name fields used for outgoing mail. In Settings, choose Send As or Display Name, enter the new first and last name exactly as you want recipients to see it, then save. If your account uses aliases, update those to-so replies and filters still work. Some providers ask you to confirm via a link or upload ID. Follow those prompts without delay. Make sure to check signature templates and auto-reply messages so the new name appears consistently across outgoing messages. You finish by testing and informing contacts. Send messages to at least 2 different providers and view them on web and mobile clients to confirm the display name appears as intended. Once done, update link services like calendars, mailing lists, and social profiles that pull your email name. If the change fails to appear, clear browser cache, re-login, and wait up to 24 hours for propagation. If problems persist, contact the provider's support and provide your verification proof to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.